Yeah, I had the exact same engine as this in a little single-seat airplane. And on 18 horsepower, the thing would cruise at 125.
Is this the original Onan?
No. The original Onan for this is an industrial engine. This is a lawnmower.
So what is this?
They look
engine?
about the same, but they're totally different creatures.
Is it made by Onan still?
Yep. And they're a very good engine. Should be all the gas it needs.
So why did you put your hand over there?
The enrichment systems work by cutting off the air so it can only grab fuel, and that simply throws a big fuel charge into the cylinders of raw gas for starting. And then if I've overdone it, I simply pull the plugs, rotate the engine again, take a lighter, clean the plugs off, and then retry.
Okay.
Use choke very sparingly.
So what's the plan now?
I'm going to pull the spark plugs, rotate the engine to get rid of any excess gas.
Okay.
I'm going to take a big lighter and burn the excess gas off of the spark plugs. And then we'll try and start her again.
This is a technique to fix flooding?
Yep. That's a technique to break a spark plug. But if you look at the spark plug, it's totally dry. There's no fuel on it. So that's essentially not the problem.
Okay.
Yeah, the bad news is, you gotta go get a spark plug.
I can do that. What was that?
So now we're filling the float bowl back up.
Where is the float bowl?
The carburetor. The main body of this.
The gas in there was
kind of rusty from the 1964 gas tank. You can look at the color of the fuel in the inline filter. A little bit rusty.
So technically a long-term solution to this would take off the gas tank,
coat it,
put some drywall screws in there, take it down to a paint shaker, have them shake the hell out of it, dump out any residue, and then coat it with a two-part system?
Yep.
Where do you get that stuff?
I get mine from Baxter site in Marnie, Iowa, but it's available.
machine back and running.